Hello guys, I am Parikshit Jalihar. In this session, we are going to discuss about .NET fundamentals, its architecture and C# programming basics. Introducing the .NET. .NET is a web framework designed by Microsoft. What is framework? Framework is a half-built solution. It is a basic structure of underlying system. What is the basic structure of underlying system? The framework will provide a platform to develop and web applications, websites, and services. Means it acts like a platform for application development. It provides integration for our markup languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The first version of .NET Framework released on January 2002. The features included in this releases are object-oriented web application development, supporting inheritance, polymorphism concepts, and other standard object-oriented features. Object-oriented features we will discuss about in next later sessions. Here we will start with the introduction to our C sharp. What is C sharp? C sharp is a object-oriented programming language. Let me tell about first what is programming language. Programming language is nothing but a language which contains the set of instruction needs to be sent your CPU to perform certain action. Object is a instance of a class. What is object? Object is an instance of a class. What is instance of a class? Instance of a class means a copy of your class which deals with the state and behavior. So what is the state? What is the behavior? We will discuss in later session. Now the class, we will come up with a concept of class. What is class? Class is a blueprint of an object which contains various data members and member functions. What is the blueprint of an object? What object does the informations are stored in your class. C sharp handles with the object oriented programming language. The C sharp applications will be developed on .NET platform. Means .NET is a platform to build your web applications or any web applications or console application or any Windows based applications. Next, what are the components of your .NET framework? .NET framework contains many components. In that, the major components, first major component is common language runtime. We will be terminologized as CLR. What is CLR? CLR is a program execution engine that loads and completes the execution of the program. What is a program execution engine? Program execution engine means all your set of instructions will be handled by your common language runtime. Means all the compilation and execution process will be done by your CLR. Framework class library. What is a framework class library? It is a collection of classes which used to build an application. A library in the sense what? A bundle of your classes. Common type specification. It deals with the defining and declaration of your data types in .NET framework. For example, how the integer data type can be defined and how decimal data type can be defined. These kind of defining of the data types will be handled by common type specification. We will call it as CTS. Next is common language specification defines the set of rules and restriction for the every language. Means it defines which language is going to run on your .NET platform. The differences between CLS and CLR is CLR handles the program execution part. CLS defines the set of rules and restriction for every programming language. Means on .NET framework you can write your C sharp programming language or you can write your Java programming language or any kind of programming language. Means .NET acts as a platform to build your application. Next is architecture of your .NET framework. The architecture of your .NET framework begins with common language runtime, which will handle all the parts of your .NET platform. Means all the parts of your programming language. including compilation and execution, that will be handled by your common language runtime. The framework class library. Framework class library, it contains the collection of classes which forms the library for all the classes. Next is Windows Forms ASP.NET. ASP.NET in the sense what? Server level programming language. ADO.NET, which deals with the database. Next version is WPF, WCF, and WF card space. We will going to learn in later video sessions. The later version .NET releases its major thing is language integrated queries and entity framework. What is entity framework? Entity frameworks deals with a object relational mapping for your C# or for your programming language. This is a brief architecture of your .NET framework. In the next session, we are going to learn about the complete architecture of your .NET, introduction to Visual Studio, and C# program structure. Thanks for the listening. We will see you in the next session. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.